Setting: a bustling train station, and then a high-speed train barreling through the periodic table express line. Cast: Livermorium LV, Curium CM, Moscovium MC, announcer, conductor, and a few rowdy noble gases. Scene opens at the periodic table express train station. Signs show routes like Actinide Alley, Halogen Heights, and Heavy Element Express. Livermorium is standing on the platform in a trench coat, holding a duffel bag and sipping tea out of a beaker. Narrator smooth, documentary-style voice. In the shadowy, mysterious corner of the periodic table where atomic numbers get intimidating and half-lives are shorter than attention spans lives, an element that rarely gets to shine. Livermorium, element 116. And today, Livermorium is going on a train trip. Livermorium stoic, yet slightly anxious. Right, this train better be stable. Unlike me, I've only got a half-life of, 60 milliseconds on a good day. Announcer crackles over the loudspeaker. Announcer. Now boarding on Platform 7, the Heavy Element Express to Dubna Central, stopping at Rutherfordium Ridge, Seaborgium Springs, and Ogonesson Overlook. Warning, some elements may decay before arrival. Livermorium mutters, "Tell me something I don't know." Livermorium boards the train and settles in a window seat next to Moscovium Element 115, who's juggling isotopes like stress balls. Moscovium, Livy. Long time no synthesize. You headed back to Joint Institute for Nuclear Research. Livermorium. Yep. Gotta check in with the labs in Dubna. They miss me. Or they would, if I ever stuck around long enough to be noticed. Moscovium. I hear that. Half-lives these days are brutal. I blink, and my nucleus is already reorganizing itself. Enter the conductor Curium CM, dressed like a nuclear physicist in a vest made of lead and sarcasm. Curium. Tickets, please. Let's see. Moscovium. Decaying en route. Check. Livermorium. Still statistically present? Squint's okay. I'll allow it. Livermorium hands over a ticket, freshly synthesized last Tuesday. Curium. You look like you were synthesized last Tuesday. You glow with that new element energy. Train whooshes through the tunnels of transactinide territory. Out the window, we see familiar elements waving, gold polishing itself, carbon doing yoga, and neon bouncing around like a rave light. Narrator: Livermorium, named after both Livermore, California, and the scientists at the Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory, was officially recognized in 2012. A collaboration between American and Russian scientists, Livermorium was created by smashing calcium element 20 into curium element 96. The results: an element that disappears faster than free cake at a science conference. Livermorium wistfully, I'm not made to last, but I was made with intention. That's gotta count for something. Moscovium, you and me both, pal. We're the result of decades of research, months of experiments, and milliseconds of existence. We're not unstable. We're just awe-exclusive. Suddenly, the train jolts, Curium on intercom. Apologies for the turbulence, folks. Ogonesson sneezed and knocked us off balance. Again. Noble gases in the rear car laugh in helium voices. Helium. We're inert, but we party hard. Livermorium pulls out a notebook, scribbles thoughts. Narrator: the Livermorium has no practical applications yet, no smartphones, no medicine, no fancy new toaster. It plays a crucial role in understanding the limits of the periodic table, nuclear physics, and just how far we can push nature before it politely collapses. Livermorium narrating journal entry: Dear periodic table, today I took a train. I existed for more than a moment. I shared a laugh with Moscovium. I dodged Ogonesson's gravitational ego. Maybe I'll decay soon. But for now, I ride. Train speeds off into the glowing horizon of synthetic possibility. Narrator: and so, Livermorium, enigmatic, ephemeral, and elegant in its instability, continues the journey. Even if it doesn't last, it leaves an imprint on the map of human discovery. Fade to black. Sounds of the train chugging and atoms colliding play softly. Text on screen: Livermorium LV, atomic number 116. Discovered, 2000, officially named 2012. Made, not found. Gone in a blink. Never forgotten.